Hey guys, just coming out to show you my Hunter Pro-C sprinkler outdoor controller. Okay, yes, my Pro-C is a bit older than the one in the picture here, but I wanted to show you how good the Hunter product is. So, seeing is believing. There's nothing wrong with this thing. I haven't had a problem with it. Folks, I'm a professional landscaper with over 30 years experience, and we mainly use the Hunter Pro-C clocks, heads, everything. They're great for residential use in small commercial sites, as well as, so here's some of the reasons we use them. 99% of the customers understand them, so that makes a big difference. And they can make the adjustments as they need to. When also installing these, it's a breeze. This little box right here is all you need for a regular residence. It doesn't matter whether you're using rotary heads, spray heads, MP rotors, drip irrigation. They all fit this Pro-C. I could go on and on, but this is just a really, I'll cut it short. Any residential homeowner or landscaper would be making the right decision by choosing this Hunter Pro-C controller. All I can say is enjoy your landscape. It's a good product. See the modules in there. It's pretty simple in there. This is these are just pretty much the same as what the newer models have. But this Pro-C is still going like crazy. It's the winter, so that's why I have it off. So, all right, guys, take care.